Hello traders, this is Cousin Benny coming to you from theclosingprint.com on April 16th, 2017. In this edition of your weekend video newsletter, we'll talk about the indices, all of which closed lower by 1% on the week. Telecom the strongest, followed by REITs and retail. We'll look for that to continue. And we'll watch for junk bonds, crude, and high-yield corporate debt to give us direction. Institutional sentiment. Daily, we see a plateau on the NYSE and a bearish cross for the composite. Breadth is in a state of change. We have the FANG stocks, as we see here, with Apple lower by 1.6% and Amazon off by 1.14%. Facebook was off nearly 1% for the week. NYHL is changing. High-low did make an abrupt change. NYAD is dropping with price. And we see the equity-only put-call ratio is in an extreme. VIX is at a high it hasn't seen since November. VIX VXV is in an extreme that we usually see an inflection point in the short term. And macro trends, we have the S&P 500 year-to-date plus 4.03%. It's off 2.8% from its all-time high reached in March. And we have junk and high-yield bonds more bullish than bearish. And we have international markets trending mostly to orange and red, Turkey being the exception. We'll look at the IBD 50. There's only 6 that we like, and we'll look at some income trades for possibilities. Note that on all income trades, as the markets are at lows, we're looking for a short-term bounce. So any income trades will be in a weekly duration rather than monthly. So we can be in and out of the markets very quickly. Yukarwitz, quote from him, short-term extremes in sentiment, breadth, and volatility suggest a rebound in equities is ahead. Volkowski, we have 4 of 5 red, and his CPI signal has been red as well since March 17th, 2017. Here is the Nasdaq with the A-Rune indicator enabled. I pointed this out over the weekend. You might want to check that out. Basically, there are 3 stages to an emerging trend when we're looking for a signal. First, the A-Rune lines will cross. Second, the A-Rune lines will cross above or below 50. And third, one of the A-Rune lines will reach 100. As we can see, all 3 occurred in November to signal a new bullish trend. When the green line stays above 70, it confirms the trend was strong. Briefly, sectors are giving us more orange and red across all of the sectors, with the exception of telecom, REITs, and retail last week. Additionally, if you're trading international indices, most are red or leading to red with the exception of Turkey. So what we're reading from this is the possibility greater for a bounce in the short term and a transition back to yellow and green in the next few weeks. I think Tesla will be higher in the long run, though it's a little early to tell at this point. The best confirmation would be a follow-through day in the morning and the indices strong first thing. Okay, traders, this is going to do it for me for the weekend. This is Cousin Benny coming to you from theclosingprint.com. As usual, look for the watch list to be out shortly and a group of stocks before the opening bell that will look to trade first thing Monday. Take care. I hope this helps, and we'll talk to you soon.